Boris Cherny, who leads Claude Code at Anthropic, just shipped something wild. Nested subagents. Agents that kick off other agents, going up to 5 levels deep. So one giant task becomes a tree of smaller ones and your context never floods. It sounds like free infinite compute, but there's a catch hiding inside that number 5. First, why it's clever. Normally, one agent does everything in a single context window, and that window fills up fast with file dumps and dead ends until Claude forgets the plan. With nesting, each child runs in its own window, does the messy work, and hands back just a clean summary. The parent sees the answer, not the noise. For big sprawling tasks, that is a real upgrade. Real talk. 90% of you watching haven't subscribed. On Facebook, subscribe is the supporter button. That is what keeps the lights on here. On YouTube, it's free and it tells the algorithm to send you more. Subscribe to support us. Now the catch. Agents spawning agents is a tree, and trees fan out. One agent calls 3. Each of those calls 3 more. Go a few levels deep, and you're running dozens of agents for one request, each burning its own tokens. That is why Boris capped it at depth 5. The cap isn't the feature, it's a guardrail against a runaway tree torching your usage. Depth is also slow. Your answer waits for layer after layer to finish. And when it breaks 5 levels down, good luck finding which agent broke it. So, when should you reach for this? Nest. When your subtasks are independent, heavy on context, and you only need the summary back. Work that floods your context, but whose details you don't need to keep. Keep it flat when the task is small, or each step depends on the last. The rule? Depth 5 is the ceiling, not the target. Most real work lives at depth 1 or 2. Go deeper and ask if you're managing context, or just hiding a task you don't understand. I turned the full decision guide into a free one-pager. Comment. Nested and I'll send it. Bite-size AI drops on Instagram. At Hyperautomation Labs. Deep dives here on YouTube.